Stay tuned to see how I made these delicious, juicy Hickory smoked chicken Alabama white sauce sliders. With the breast side down, you want to take the backbone and just cut it out. If you want to, save that for stock. Alright, here are my 2 chickens that are spatchcocked. I have a 4-part pepper, 2-part salt, 2-part garlic powder, and 1 part smoked paprika, just in a shaker bottle. So I'm going to cover these completely. Feel free to substitute boneless, skinless chicken breasts and thighs instead of using whole chicken. Let these sit in the fridge for at least an hour up to overnight to let the flavor set in. And then I'll bring you back tomorrow. Don't make the same mistake as me and pile up your new delivery wood on top of your old. As you can see here, I had a lot of fun getting down to the hickory wood under the full rick of oak that I just had delivered. Once I got some hickory dug out of the bottom of that pile, I got the pit up to 250 degrees and then got the chicken on the pit. The chicken will go untouched until the internal temperature reaches 135 to 140 degrees internal, and then we'll put some sauce on to finish off the cook. Now for our sauce, we have 2 cups of Dukes mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of our seasoning from earlier, or you can just use straight salt and pepper if you would like. Tablespoon and a half of horseradish, one teaspoon of sugar, and juice of half a lemon. Just mix this all together. So after a couple hours, we've got to about 140 internal. I'm gonna flip these over, so I'm putting some white sauce on these. Instead of dipping, I'm just gonna rub it in so I don't waste half the sauce from having uncooked chicken touching the rest of the sauce. And we're gonna pull it anyway, so. Okay, we'll let these go until they reach 160 inside. These chickens have been temping at 160 for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get them pulled off, taken inside. After the chicken cools down a bit from their 160-degree holding temperature, it's time to pull the meat. Make sure to remove the bones and cartilage you discard. Once you have the meat pulled, stop until everything is in a fine consistency. Slider buns, chicken, that was delicious. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.